Are you still managing your cooperative, finance club, or lending business with notebooks or Excel? As your customers grow, operations become difficult with missed repayments, inaccurate records, and stressful reporting. That's why we built FlexiCoop. FlexiCoop helps you manage your entire business from one powerful digital platform. You can easily manage members and track savings and contributions in real time. Easily add savings records and keep track of every contribution. Seamlessly handle loan applications, active loans, repayments, and even overdue accounts. Get granular visibility into every loan, from repayment schedules to approval status. Generate comprehensive financial reports and manage your general ledger with precision. Manage admins and audit logs for complete operational transparency and security. Store and organize cooperative, member, and loan documents in one governed workspace. Plus, allow your members to access their own records securely from their phones. From loan tracking to savings portfolios, it's all accessible on the go. FlexiCoop helps you operate professionally and grow confidently. Start your free trial today. Visit flexicoop.com or call us on WhatsApp. We're here to guide you every step of the way.